She's holding 1,000 shares of Lenskart bought at a price of 187. She wants to know the short-term view. I believe, Vaishali, it would be difficult to give a short-term view on Lenskart.
Well, I think from whatever data I have, it's showing strength, 450, because after a very long consolidation, we are seeing that the stock has picked up momentum. It showed good strength. And currently, once again, it's into a consolidation phase. So 440, 430 should be taken as a support. And in my view, this can go above 520 levels.
All right, okay. We've got our next caller, Mallikarjun from Bengaluru is calling us. Mallikarjun, I believe you have a question on Jio Finance.
Yeah. I have a Geo Finance at the rate of 211 and I have a 60 shares.
Okay.
I wanted to invest more on this stock. My time horizon is like 1 year.
Okay.
And apart from this, I wanted to invest 1 lakh rupees on small cap stocks. Is it a good time to buy a small cap?
Okay, Rajesh, what's the view like on Jio Finance? And if he were to invest 1 lakh in a small cap stock, which one would that be?
Geo would be the stock I would recommend. We have a buy column that's doing very well. The company is started moving into newer space like LAS and insurance. They have a tie-up with BlackRock for mutual fund and equity broking business. So going forward, I think things are going to move up from here only. So it's a long-term buy from our side.
Queries from Anil from Kerala, and it's on Tata Power. He's holding 60 shares of Tata Power bought at a price of 486. He wants to know whether should he add more and hold or just exit. Vaishali, your view on Tata Power?
I think he can add more because the stock is showing strength and currently again it shows upside potential. So I think average out at these levels.
Okay, the next one is on ABP India. Bhavna Tiwari has directed this question to you, Vaishali, specifically. She's got 15 shares at the levels of 5754. Should she hold because she's in loss right now? What would you recommend?
So I would say this sector itself, ABP or Siemens, it has really not participated. But right now it has seen a good consolidation. In my view, do add at these levels and lower down your price because once we see momentum setting in, you can get a better rate.
Rajesh, the next query is coming for you from a great fan. Her name is Rani from Tirupur. She wants to know your opinion on CDSL.
Thank you, ma'am. CDSL, it's a buy from our side, doing very well. One of the largest depository, I would say. There are two depositories listed, NSDL and CDSL. This one is the largest one. Numbers have been good. After the kind of correction it has seen, I think 1800 would be a decent target to hold. With insurance also coming into demat form, the companies are going to do well with a long list of IPOs coming out. In the last 6 months, I've seen a lot of IPOs, and another 6 months, there are a lot of lineup of IPOs. Things are good for both the depositories, but CDSL valuations are very attractive. Go for it.
Okay, the next one is from Siva, who's writing us from Toronto, asking about Cupid, whether a fresh entry can be made right now from a short-term perspective. Vaishali, your view?
So Cupid currently 471. No, I would say not because to run up, the rally has started right from 240 to now 471. Not at these levels.
From Sriram Raghuraman from Chennai. He's holding 5 shares of Tatwa Chintan bought at a price of 1,271. He wants to know whether is it a right time to accumulate this counter, Rajesh?
Avoid.
Okay, the next one is on Hindustan Copper. This is from Raji, who is bought at the levels of 32 and 500 shares is what she has. What should be the next course of action? Vaishali, on the charts?
On the charts, it's looking very buoyant. I would say continue holding. We are looking at a target of 540, 550.
Kerala bought 25 shares of Trent at a price of 5,050. He wants to know whether should he add more at the current levels from long-term perspective. Rajesh, your view on Trent?
One can add. The counter has shown very massive correction, I would say, from the tops. Company is doing well. The value retail buying of Zudio is doing well. They are moving into Star Bazaar. That's again our trigger going forward. They moved into lab-grown diamonds. So everything is in their favor. Only thing is the second quarter numbers was not as per expectation, and that's why it saw a massive correction. I think at these levels, one can accumulate for long term.
Okay, we've got our next caller. Parul is calling us from Bengaluru. Parul, hi, a very good morning to you. How can we help you today?
Hi, very good morning to you. So I have Harsha Engineers International Limited, and I have about 45 shares. I purchased it at the price of 330 rupees. Currently, I have a profit of 2,000 plus. So I just wanted to know, should I keep that or should I sell that? What is the kind of horizon I should look into?
Okay, Parul, it's a fairly small company, 3,400 crore market cap company, not sure. Rajesh, any view on this particular counter?
It's better to book profit, as you said it right. It's a very small cap company recently listed, although it's doing very well, but you never know in these kind of markets. Setting on a profit, try to book profit.
Next query is from Mangal Das from Goa. He has few shares of KSB. In fact, he has 320 shares of KSB, bought at a price of 877, holding for the last 1 year. Should he continue to hold, Rajesh?
Continue to hold. Company doing very well with rural infrastructure, rural agriculture move on there. I think the entire pump space is looking well, be it KSB or Shakti pumps. Both are looking good.
Okay. The next one is from Rajesh, who's writing us from Kerala, asking about Yes Bank. 14,000 shares is what he has at the levels of 54.5. From a 5-year perspective, can he continue to hold, Rajesh?
Continue to hold. The numbers have started improving the last so many quarters, I would say. Asset quality has started improving.